today I'm going to build a new Wicked set, Emerald City and Kiamo Castle. So I'm not so sure what Kiamo Castle is right now, but we'll soon discover when we see the Wicked 2, right? So we have 2 guidebooks, and then we have stickers here as well, 2 stickers, and 6 packages. And so, this is Glinda, and this is the dress that she's probably going to wear in Season 2, Wicked for Good. And don't forget about her crown. She always wears her crown. And she has a book with her, and it has some like instructions in this book. And the cover, there's also a cover, it says something like Oz, like, you know, the Wizard of Oz. So yeah, I think it's something to do with like that. So I can't read the one that's on top of the OC. I can't really read it. So the clothes are similar to the one that she had in Munchkin Land set, but it's kind of like more flat. The dress is more flat. So this is going to be the Emerald City. So it's a mini Emerald City, and it's so cute. There are so many cute details inside, and I just love it so much. You know, I also made the Lego Emerald City, the big Emerald City, not the small one. That one was super big, and that was super pretty, and it was way bigger than I expected. And this one's actually quite small, but there are lots of exciting things to do in this set as well, like, because there are lots of things hidden in this set. And as you can see, we're making like yellow colors. This is like the yellow path that leads to Emerald City. Remember, the wizard was like discussing like which color to make the path, and they decided to make it yellow, so that's why the path is yellow. But one thing that kind of makes me like curious is that in the box, the yellow path was also connected to the Kiamo Castle. So I suppose it's somewhere near Emerald City. Perhaps it's not nearby, but if you follow the yellow path, you can arrive at Kiamo Castle. So by the way, we have a photo here, Glinda and Fiyero, and there's also a flower pot over here, like flower vase. It's golden color, so pretty, and there's also like shoes, which kind of looks like Cinderella shoes. That's going to be underneath. And we also have cute stickers around here, but it's kind of sad that they get hidden. So we have another sticker here, and it kind of looks like a tree, like a pink tree, you know, like something like that. So put it here like this. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. But making this mini Emerald City, it feels more like making Glinda's bedroom more than the Emerald City, because there's nothing to do with Emerald City inside this set. It's just kind of like making Glinda's bedroom. And I guess it's kind of similar. The inside is kind of similar to Glinda and Alphaba's dormitory set. I'm going to build that soon too. Not very soon, but maybe someday. I'm not so sure when, but I have it actually. But I'm not so sure when I'm going to build it. So anyway, this set is just so fantastic. There are so many wonderful things. There are so many hidden things. And I'm sure that you're going to love it too. At first, when these new Wicked sets came out, I thought this one doesn't really look that good. I mean, it doesn't look very special. Like, it's just like mini sets. So I didn't really like it that much. But then I saw this offline and I looked at the box more carefully. There are so many wonderful things, and of course, you'll find out all those wonderful things in this video, because this is building this set. You can see it very detailed, like all the stuffs. So there are lots of hidden stuffs, and this is really cute. This is like kind of like making Glinda's bedroom. The outside is Emerald City, but the inside is kind of like Glinda's bedroom. So yes, come to think about it, Glinda probably lives in Emerald City now, and she's going to have a wonderful bedroom like this. Oh, it means that Glinda's going to be living in Emerald City, and this is her pink bed, and we can actually pull it down and pull it up. This bedroom looks so good. I'm not so sure if it's going to be even better than her dormitory, because her dormitory was very good too. But I guess we're going to find it out if we see the movie, because if in the movie it looks even better than the dormitory, then it means it looks even better. But with Lego, I can't really tell, because the dormitory is way bigger than this one. But probably, I think this room is going to be bigger in the movie. I just can't wait to see it. And this, the one that I'm making right now, this is also very special. You're probably going to wonder, what is this? This is going to be a gigantic map. And by the way, we have some lights in here as well. So my guess is that this is some place hidden in her room in Emerald City, and it's a map. And I think Glinda is trying to find Alphaba's location. So probably it means that Glinda also doesn't know where Alphaba is. So the map, it says like Munchkin Land and some 3 other places that I'm not so sure what they are. Like I've never seen them before. So, but anyway, it's a map of this place. Like, what's this place called? Is there a name? I forgot, you know, like with Munchkin Land and Emerald City and stuff like that. I kind of forgot the name. But anyway, this is super cool because we can close it like this and then pull it inside like this. Isn't it just awesome? It's just so fantastic. We can pull it out. It is going to be the map again, you know. Like I told you, there are so many hidden things. And it's really, really hidden. So awesome. That is just so fantastic. Oh my goodness, this is just so awesome. So, by the way, this is the roof, and of course, Emerald City is very pointy with lots of like stuffs like that. So we have to make all those stuffs on top of this mini Emerald City as well. So, like, if you ask me, like, is the big Emerald City better or the small Emerald City better? I can't really choose because they're both awesome in different ways. Because, of course, the big Emerald City is also fantastic. But this is super cute too, you know? You'll see what I mean when it's finished. It's really awesome. Wait, this one. I like this. Oh, yeah, it's so awesome. So, there's like this Emerald City logo. And I just love those like transparent green colors that we use in Emerald City. I've used a lot of those pieces when I was making the big ones. So, please check out building the big Emerald City video as well. It's not actually so long ago. It's just like last month, or like not last month, like a few weeks ago, I think. And there's this like little book, like kind of like a magazine with like a woman wearing pink shoes. And you know, these Lego magnifying glasses, they actually work. That's why it's so awesome. So we're going to make 2 sides to cover this Emerald City, and these are just so awesome too. They're just so awesome. It's really like building Glinda's bedroom. So we have a little cabinet over here, and it's just so awesome. You know, I just love cabinets. And ooh, to make it more fancier, we're gonna put some golden colors. That like those like patterns kind of reminds me of K-pop demon hunters. You know, kind of looks like that. Is it only me who kind of looks like that? But it kind of looks like that, right? Doesn't it? Anyway, so put some more green colors over here too. And oh my goodness, it's just so awesome. The color is so bright. And we have some like dome shape green colors as well, like dark ones. And by the way, I just also can't wait for January to come. Actually, I don't want to get older. Everyone doesn't want to get older. But I just can't wait. I mean, January, I'm just so excited to see all the new sets. You know, it's just so awesome. Look, it was so great. So great. So, yeah, we have some, like, a mini statue and, like, I think some makeup stuff, I think, on top of the drawer. Very Glinda-like, you know. Glinda loves makeup stuff like that, you know. Love those stuffs. So, we're going to plug this next to her bed. So, this is really her bedroom because this is going to be next to her bed. So, it's her bedroom actually. So yeah, so many like, you know, decorations. It's so fancy, right? I think like these Wicked Emerald series is one of the fanciest sets. You know, I told you that the Emerald City, the big one, that was super fancy. And this is super fancy too because this is also an Emerald City. So as you can see, we plugged it next to the bedroom, and now we have to make something to plug on the right side. Because that one was the left side. And this one is kind of like her makeup room and with like mirrors. And this is just so awesome too. Everything's so awesome. So we have like bags, and oh yeah, Glinda has so many bags. Remember, Glinda had so many stuff in her dormitory. So we have a drawer. I never had like those colored like drawers before. It looks awesome. And we also have a chocolate inside. So maybe like Fiero gave her the chocolate maybe in Valentine's Day, or maybe stuff like that. But actually Valentine's Day is like women's giving stuff to men's. So I suppose it's not really like that. Anyway, it doesn't matter. What matters is that this set is really cool. So awesome, so cool. Yeah. And you can like close and open these two parts, and you can also pull out the hidden map behind this set. So it makes sense. So it's true that this set has lots of hidden sets, right? So I was not joking, it's actually right. This set, there are so many hidden stuffs, and I just can't wait to build the Kiamo castle as well. So yeah, I mean, it won't be as fancy as the Emerald City, of course, because the Emerald City is so fancy, like with all these green colors. And Kiamo castle is kind of like very dark. Yeah, very dark color, and this is so bright. So anyway, we also have an old clock and a heart, and like, oh yeah, this is the mirror. This is the big mirror. But there's one thing that's weird is that my mirror, it has like yellow patterns, but in the guidebook, it's supposed to have pink patterns. So that is kind of weird. But the yellow one looks nice too. The yellow one and the pink one, they both seem nice. But I think it would have been nicer if it was pink color because Glinda has a lot of pink colors. But the yellow is nice too because there are lots of like golden colors in this set. So we used almost every sticker. So poor Alphaba, she's not gonna have any stickers. Just like a few stickers, like 3 or 2 stickers. Poor Glinda, poor Alphaba. So Glinda is searching the map with her magnifying glass, and she can also stand in the terrace like this and pull her bed down like this. Oh my goodness, that bed is so cool. And then we can put like her belongings inside this cabinet, kind of like this. Wait, let me just put this as kind of, it keeps on falling. There you go. So we put it inside the cabinet, and this place is also good, like her powder makeup room, kind of like that. And then put this at the back like this. So today we made the mini Emerald City, and it looks just so wonderful. And the playing part is going to be in part 2. When I build the Kiamo castle, I'm going to play with these 2 sets as well. So thanks for watching this video, and see you in part 2. So see you next time. See you in part 2. Bye.